In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ledger Live on laptop. Now, if you need any new Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get the official Ledger devices at the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin together with it. So, of course, you'll also help my channel that way, and thank you if you decide to do it. So to install Ledger on laptop, it's actually very simple. Go to ledger.com and actually make sure you are on their official website, then hover over apps and services and click on Ledger Live. Here, you want to click on download for, of course, your operating system. So if you have Mac OS, Linux, Windows, whatever it may be, I'm just going to click on Windows, and it's going to basically download Ledger Live to your computer. To actually install it, click on it, and then just basically open up the installer, and within a few seconds, there we go, this is what you're going to see. You can select the destination folder where you want it to install, so I'm just going to leave it as default over here. Click on the install button, and your Ledger Live app is going to be installed onto your computer just like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.